Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my week 4 numbers in the Amazon Influencer Program. If you guys are not familiar with the Amazon Influencer Program, it is basically something that Amazon offers to content creators. They could create their own pages on Amazon, like their own storefront, and they could drive traffic to that storefront. There's also another segment of the Amazon Influencer Program called on-site commissions, where you're actually able to get your videos placed on actual product pages. So that's the info I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So just a quick recap of weeks 1 through 3. So week 1, 32 posts or videos. So before, I was mostly sharing with you guys videos that I have published. At this point, I'm kind of adding in pictures to my reviews as well. So these are going to be videos slash pictures that I've posted for that specific week. So week 1, 32 videos, I generated 400 clicks and I got about 20 sales and made pretty much $16 in commissions, which averaged out to $2 per day. But something to keep in mind is I just started and didn't have a library of videos or reviews, so that's why the numbers are pretty low for week 1. So week 2, I added on 31 more posts and I generated 520 clicks and got 60 sales and got a commission of $49 for that week, which averaged out to about $7 per day. And for week 3, got 33 posts added on. So in total, at this point, I had 96 posts. So for week 3, I generated over 1,000 clicks, got over 100 sales, and my commission for that week was $47, which again averaged out to about $7 per day. So overall, decent numbers. Commission up to this point is $112. So feeling pretty good about the Amazon Influencer Program so far. So for week 4, what have I done week 4? So let's just jump straight into the posts. So for week 4, I didn't do that much. I only posted 12 more reviews, so not a lot, but in total I have 108 reviews at this point. So I at least finally broke through 100 reviews. That was a goal of mine, and to be able to do it within my first month of being in the program, pretty awesome. So week 4, how many clicks did we generate here? Week 4, I got 810 clicks. So went down from week 3, but that's quite all right. So in terms of sales, how much did I get in sales? So even though my clicks went down, my amount of sales actually went up, which is pretty awesome to see. So of the 110 sales, how much was my commission? So I was able to generate $58 for this week. So getting paid like $50 in a single week for an online side hustle for me is huge. It's pretty awesome. And like I've stated before in previous videos, the Amazon Influencer Program is pretty easy to do. You're just posting video reviews. Mine usually last about like a minute to 2 minutes on products that you already own, so you don't really have to spend money to do anything with this program that you haven't already spent if you have a bunch of things that could be found or sold on Amazon. So highly recommend this side hustle if anyone wants to try it out. But $58 for this week, pretty awesome. I actually also had my highest day for this week. I had a single day where I made like $21. It would have been like probably 22 or maybe 23, but I had a couple returns in there as well, so they docked some of my commission from the previous days. So in total, $58. Really happy about that, which put my average out to about $8 per day. So all in all, how many clicks do I have total at this point? I had 2,700 clicks for the past month. And in terms of sales, I had 290 sales. And how much have I made with the Amazon Influencer Program thus far? 110 or 170. So really happy with these numbers. My first month being in the program, not bad, and really looking forward to growing this. And my goal ultimately is to be able to generate maybe like $1,000 per month consistently, but going to be aiming for smaller goals at this point, maybe $200 or $300 per month is the first goal, and then bump it up to like 400, 500, and so on until ultimately end goal to make at least $1,000 per month from just Amazon. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever about the Amazon influencer program, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.